Hey there everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Tac Designs Side View Mirror Stabilizer Kit for the Canon Spyder F3T, F3 Limited, and 2020 Newer Spyder RT models. One of the most popular mods we've launched to date for the 2010 to 2019 Canon Spyder RT has been our Tac Designs Magnetic Side View Mirror Kit, which replaces the worn-out clips with a magnetic-style mirror system that quickly fixes loose and shaky side view mirrors. Now, the new mirror design that's used on both the 2020 Newer Spyder RT models as well as the Spyder F3T and F3L models regretfully suffer from the same shaky loose mirror issue as their predecessor. So as your bike ages and the mirrors loosen over time, it makes it quite difficult to use your side view mirrors while riding, potentially decreasing your side view visibility. Well, today we're happy to announce that once again we've partnered up with the team over at Tac Designs to bring you a quick and affordable solution to this recurring problem. Our 6-piece mirror stabilizer kit replaces the factory mirror clips with a much beefier design that'll keep your side view mirror stable and shake-free, increasing your side view visibility while riding and overall safety at highway speeds. So now that you know what this mod is and what it can do for you, allow me to walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2020 Spyder RT. Start by unclipping this mirror cover by pulling it straight out and off. Next, use a T20 Torx to unscrew and remove your mirror housing. Then, lift up on the end of your mirror mount to unclip the 2 bottom pins, and then slide it up and off the bike. Now, use your T20 Torx to unscrew and remove these 4 screws. So that you can pull off this mounting plate. Next, take the 3 new mounting bolts and insert them in through these 3 holes on the back side of the mounting plate. And then thread a nut onto each. Tightening them down with an 8mm deep socket so that they're nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. Now you can unscrew and remove these 3 factory pins on your mirror mount, since we will no longer be using them to mount the mirror up to the bike. Next, you can take that mounting plate and reattach it to the bike, reusing the same 4 T20 Torx screws, making sure not to over tighten. Then, take your mirror mount and slide it onto the bolts coming off that mounting plate. Add a nut to each. And then use your 8mm deep socket to tighten them down the rest of the way, making sure not to over tighten. Now you can reattach your mirror housing reusing the same T20 Torx screw. And then just pop your mirror cover back on. And then just repeat that same process for your other mirror. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if stabilizing your side view mirrors on your Canon Spyder is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for yourself And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Until next time.